So weight vests are a pretty cool option to make your workouts just a little bit more fresh and different, and they come in a lot of different varieties. There are weight vests that are 5 to 10 pounds, maybe even 15 pounds, and aren't able to add extra weight to them. There's also adjustable weight vests as well that allow you to add little sandbags or sometimes even metal plates into them, which will, of course, allow you to some days maybe do 10 pounds, some days maybe do 20 to 30 to 40 pounds. And because of that, the really cool thing is that some days you can make it like an easier workout, some days you can make it a tougher workout. Now, the purpose of any type of weight vest is to basically keep your workouts fresh, add a little bit of extra stimulus that you wouldn't normally get in a normal workout. So this might be like you just want to do a body weight circuit where you're going to do some push-ups, some squats, and then maybe go out for a run or a walk. And since the weight vest is so awkward, it's going to force your body to move in a different way than normally would. And this is going to challenge your muscles, your tendons and ligaments, your connective tissue in a different way. So you're going to strengthen different parts of your body that might not normally get strengthened. On top of this, another cool thing, because you're strengthening and working your body in different ways that aren't normally getting worked, you're also able to burn a little bit more calories. Anytime you introduce novel stimulus that you're not used to and is difficult for you to do, you burn more calories, simple as that. A great example of this is somebody who goes swimming after they haven't gone swimming ever or haven't gone swimming in a really long time. Since their form and technique isn't as good in the water, they're going to waste more energy. They're not as efficient, which sounds like a bad thing, and if you're trying to be a good swimmer, it is. But being not efficient means you're actually burning more calories too. So kind of the same thing when it comes to using a weight vest. Another great thing about a weight vest too is that you can have it at home. You don't need to go to the gym for it, and it's super easy to just get on, go for a 10-20 minute walk with a weight vest on. You're going to be essentially acting as if you were weighing more. So 20-pound weight vest on a 150-pound person, you're almost acting like you're 170 pounds, but moving that weight with 150 pounds of muscle. Not straight muscle, but 150 pounds of mass, I should say. I'm going to leave a couple product links down below of weight vests that I recommend. I'm going to do an adjustable one, and I'm also going to do a set weight vest of 10 pounds, so you can check those out, give you a couple options of different ones to choose from.